Hello and welcome everyone in my today's live streaming. First of all, good afternoon everybody for joining my live today. I really appreciate everyone you all have come to join my live streaming. Thank you so much everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine here, doing great. All of you, everybody is doing fine. How are you all? How are you all? I hope everybody is fine here. Okay, who all are joining? Good evening guys. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everyone. Okay, please try to join this live streaming, everybody. All right, so this live streaming is going to about the new launch pad. Okay, okay, everyone. So ये हमारा लॉन्च न्यू लॉन्च पूल के बारे में हमारा आज का रहने वाला है गाइस. ठीक है एवरीवन. So this is going to about the new launch pool, everyone. So I just want you people stay connected till the end of this live streaming, everyone. ठीक है everybody, we'll see what is this new trend is all about. Okay everyone, what is this new listing is about. Okay, and we'll see the detailed information, everyone. Okay. ऑलराइट गाइस, तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो हमारा जो देखने को मिल रहा है, ये दिस इज द गेट विल इनिशियली लिस्ट मैंगो नेटवर्क. ओके, गेट विल इनिशियली लिस्ट द मैंगो network. Okay, which is MGO, which is MGO, spot trading, stake ETH MGO in a launch pool to earn MGO hourly. Okay everybody, to earn MGO hourly. Okay, so get will list mango network, which is MGO, for spot trading at 9 on June 24, 2025 UTC. So to reward our users, it has already been listed, everyone. So to reward our users, you can stake ETH MGO in Mango network, which is MGO. Okay everybody, Mango network launch pool, to earn this much of MGO airdrops for free, everyone. Okay everyone, so this is the 1 crore 64 lakh MGO airdrop for free with rewards distributed every hour. Okay everyone, so with reward distributed every hour. Okay everyone, so this is the very basic information, everyone, as well as important. ठीक है, so launch pool to earn this much of MGO airdrop for free. Okay, so क्या स्टेक करना है आपको? You need to stake ETH MGO, everybody. You need to stake ETH slash MGO in the Mango network. Okay, now Mango network MGO spot trading. Mango network MGO spot trading. So you can start trading from the June 24, everybody, which has already been started, everyone. So here you can do two things, everyone. First of all, you can deposit MGO, ठीक है. On the other side, you can trade MGO USDT, ठीक है. So you are getting the two options with this one. Either you can deposit MGO और trade MGO. Okay, so यहाँ पे बहुत important है guys that कि अंडर लॉन्च पूल में आपको टोटल इतना एयर ड्रॉप फ्री मिल रहा है. ओके एवरीबडी, यू आर गेटिंग दिस मच ऑफ एयर ड्रॉप फॉर फ्री एवरीवन, विच इज वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, चलो. सो मैंगो नेटवर्क विच इज MGO लॉन्च पूल, staking period, everybody, staking period is very important information you need to have a look into. Okay everyone, so staking period की अगर बात की जाए तो it will start from June 23rd 2025 to July 7th 2025. So this is the duration period under. So जून 23rd को स्टार्ट हुआ है एंड इट इज गोइंग टू बी एंड ऑन July 7th, everybody. Total staking rewards is 1,64 lakh MGO, everyone. Okay, there are very relevant informations which I have to give it to you, everyone. I just want you to stay connected till the end of this live streaming. ठीक है. Unlocking rules देख लेते हैं. What are the unlocking rules for this one? So 100% to unlock. Okay everybody, 100% to unlock. Now get launch pool allows users to stake early. Guys, that's a very important information. This is the get launch pool allows users to stake early. You can stake your assets before the project officially launches, okay, ensuring you start earning rewards immediately once the mining begins. Okay everybody, once the mining begins. ठीक है. रिवॉर्ड्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का क्राइटेरिया क्या है everybody? What are the criteria for the rewards distribution? So the system will distribute token rewards to users' spot accounts every hour based on the proportion of assets staked by the each users. Okay everybody, so this is the system generated rewards distribution system we have. So the system will distribute the token rewards. ठीक है, and you will check under the spot. Okay, you will check your rewards under the spot. And rewards distribution तो every hour based है, and जितना आप the total number of proportion you have staked, okay, accordingly the rewards will get distributed by the system. Get launch pool frequently asked questions. Okay, I have the get launch pool frequently asked questions to share with you. Okay everybody, and ठीक है, many of you must be aware about the get launch pool frequently asked question. Many of you don't, but it's my job that every time I will it's my job कि मैं जब भी ये शेयर करूँ frequently asked questions भी बताऊँ. तो how to participate everybody, primary and the foremost thing, how to participate. You need to log into your get account and complete the identity verification. Then navigate to the launch pool, hold at least 0.0000003 ETH. Okay, so these are the criterias, everyone. These are the criterias. Okay, for taking participation in the launch pool. For taking participation in the launch pool, these are the criteria, everybody. ठीक है? तो you have to done with the complete identity verification. Complete identity verification is very must, everyone. Is very must. Okay. Then you need to navigate to the launch pool, hold that list. This much of ETH. Okay, and then click itna itna ETH and 1 MGO. Then you need to click on the stake. ठीक है? Exclusive staking limit privileges for the VIP users. Okay, everyone. So for the VIP users, there is a exclusive staking limit privileges. Okay. So VIP 5 and above users enjoy exclusive staking limits when participating in the launch pool with up to 500% staking limit bonus. Okay, everybody. So with up to 500% staking limit bonus. So VIP 0 to VIP 4 is 3 ETH pool maximum staking amount per users. Okay, everyone. So this is the criteria. So for the ETH pool, maximum staking amount per users is VIP 0 से VIP 4 300 ETH, VIP 5 से 450 ETH plus 50%. For VIP 6 600 ETH plus 100%, VIP 7 780 ETH plus 160%, VIP 8 1020 ETH plus 240%, VIP 9 1350 ETH plus 350%, VIP 10 to VIP 16 1800 ETH plus 500%. ठीक है? Project information, everyone. What is the project information? So, provided by the MGO network, which is MGO team. Please follow the Mango Network website for more details. I have the Mango Network websites. Okay, I'll give you the information from the official website. Okay. So introduction. Mango Network is a layer 1 with a multi VM omni-chain infrastructure, primarily addressing multiple pain points such as fragmented user experience and liquidity in Web3 applications and DeFi protocols. It integrates, okay, everybody, it integrates the core advantages of Move, OP Stack and ZK Rollup. ठीक है, ZK Rollup. Building an efficient blockchain network that supports cross-chain communication, ठीक है, cross-chain communication and multi-virtual machine interoperability. Both supports Move VM and EVM and SVM, providing developers and users with secure, modular, and high performance Web3 infrastructure. So this is the short disclaimer about this project, everybody. Detailed information is also available. Okay, everyone. Now here token name is Mango Network. Guys, token name is Mango Network. Token symbol is MGO. Maximum supply is this much. टोकन टाइप इज मेननेट. ठीक है, टोकन टाइप जो है वो मेननेट है. टोकन आईडी एनए है. टोकन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड अनलॉकिंग रूल्स. ठीक है, टोकन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड अनलॉकिंग रूल्स देखें तो फंड रेज और सेल में 15% जा रहा है. ठीक है, ऑलराइट एवरीबॉडी, फंड रेज एंड सेल में 15% इज गोइंग. 100% unlock at TGE. Cliff 6 months, linear monthly release 10 or 36 months with 1/10 or 1/36 unlocked each month. Team 15%, team पे 15% after TGE logged for 1 year, followed by linear quarterly unlocks over 48 months with 1/16 unlocked each quarter. Advisory 3%. 10% unlocked at TGE Cliff 6 months, linear monthly release. 36 months with 1/36 unlocked each month. Foundation 20%. 20% unlocked at TGE with the remaining portion unlocked in stages according to the proposal application over a total period of 48 months. Airdrop testnet 5%. Airdrop testnet is 5% everybody. ठीक है? Unlocked at TGE ecosystem is 17%. Alright. 30% unlocked at TGE with the remaining proportion unlocked in stages according to the proposal application over a total period of 48 months. Airdrop minute पे 5%. After TGE, the specific release amount will be determined based on the actual minute airdrop events. Okay. Validator/staking is 20%. ठीक है? Starting from Q2 2025, the specific release amount will be determined based on the actual node staking and other staking rewards everybody. ठीक है? So here is the official website link and the white paper as well. I will discuss all the relevant information, okay, from the given sources. Okay, everybody. So now, first one, Get Launch Pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where users can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrops of hot and new coins. With low entry barriers and high APR, it is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing the market opportunities. Okay, second one. Please complete the identity verification before participating in the launch pool to enhance the security of your account and the assets. Third one, please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited. An occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the rewards. ठीक है? Fourth one, where any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. So fifth one, get reserves all rights to the final explanation. Sixth, this event is not affiliated with the Apple Inc. Seventh one, users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including the participation in this event, game or competition. See the user agreement for further details on the restricted locations. GitLab investment disclosure. All right, everyone. So GitLab did not invest in the Mango network. Got it, everybody? Got the okay. Now let me navigate to the launch pool section. Launch pool section of the okay. So this is the launch pool. Under launch pool, this is the MGO launch pool. It is in progress, everyone. This is in progress and it is going to be end in 8 days, 22 hours, 41 minutes, everybody. एंड टाइम दिया हुआ है, ठीक है, आप देख सकते हो एंड टाइम इसका क्या दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, it is going to be end in 8 days 22 or 40 minutes. ओके, ये तो मैंने बता दिया था आप लोगों को. Okay, everyone. So this is under the launch pool. Under launch pool, this is the MGO pool and this is the ETH pool, everybody. So MGO pool, total staking rewards is this much. Okay, everybody, this much is the total staking rewards. Token staked is MGO. All right, everybody, token staked is MGO. All right, guys, I hope everybody is understanding what I am saying. Okay, everybody. If you have any query, please feel free to ask me, everyone. I'm here to help you out. Okay, total token staked is MGO. Mining period. For this one, mining period is of 14 days. So 14 days may the days which is left out is 8 days only. Only 8 days is left out, everybody. Alright, everyone. Total staked is this much of MGO. As of now, total staked is this much of MGO. As of now, the total number of participants is 21,443. Okay, everybody, 21,443. Okay. Total price pool hourly cap, everyone. Total price pool hourly cap की अगर बात की जाए तो देख सकते हो, it's 25,000 MGO. It's 25,000 MGO, everybody. Okay. Individual hourly cap is 2,500 MGO. Okay, everybody. Individual hourly reward cap is 2,500 MGO. Total APR is 1418.92%. Alright. Now for the ETH pool, everybody. Total staking rewards is this much of MGO. Token staked is ETH. Mining period is of 14 days. Alright, everyone. Mining period is of 14 days. Token staked is this much of ETH. Total number of participants is 6,632. 6,632. Prize pool hourly cap is 23,809.52 MGO. Individual hourly reward cap is 2,380.95 MGO. Total APR is 2.71%, everybody. 2.71%. All right. It was under the launch pool. Okay, this under the launch pool. Now it has also been introduced under the candy drop. Okay, everybody, this has also been introduced under candy drop, so it is ongoing. Mango network is a layer 1 with a multi VM omni chain infrastructure, primarily addressing multiple pain points such as fragmented user experience and liquidity in Web3 applications and DeFi protocols. Okay, everybody, DeFi protocols. Under Candy Drop, the total number of participants is this much. Okay. So that's a 42 lakh total prize pool. Total participants is 6,544. 6,544. Allocated candies is 6,379. So under Candy Drop, guys, this event is going to be end in 2 days, 2 days, 19 hour and 35 minutes, everyone. So this as of now total allocated candies. So इसमें क्या है? Registration had opened on 24th of June. Candy distribution end time 7th of July. Okay. So complete task under this Candy Drop. You need to complete a task and to share this much of 42 lakh MGO prize pool, 42 lakh MGO prize pool. So futures trading to share 14 lakh MGO everybody. ठीक है? Total token is 14 lakh MGO. Individual share limit is 2000 MGO. Okay everybody. Total tokens individual share limit is 2000 MGO. You need to complete the task to earn candy from the prize pool. ठीक है? लॉग इन एंड पार्टिसिपेट, ये सारा डिटेल्स दिया हुआ है एवरीबॉडी. एक्टिविटी रूल्स की अगर बात की जाए, एक्टिविटी रूल्स की, तो ड्यूरिंग द इवेंट यूजर्स विद अ cumulative contract trading volume is greater than or equals to 30,000 USDT, MGO will receive candies with a maximum of 9 candies available, sharing a prize pool of 18 lakh MGO. Second one, futures trading volume is equals to the opening volume plus the closing volume. Spot trading to share 14 lakh MGO. So this is the 14 lakh MGO total tokens. Individual share limit is 2000 MGO everybody. ठीक है? एंड ये देख सकते हैं एस्टिमेटेड शेयर भी दिया हुआ है. Alright everyone, so you need to complete the task to earn candy from the prize pool. Log in and participate. Okay, second one is log in and participate. Activity rules इसका क्या है? During the event, users achieving greater than less than $5,000 USDT in MGO spot trading volume, sum of opening plus closing positions can earn up to 9 candies from the 14 lakh MGO everyone. ठीक है? Reward pool. Now we have the alpha trading share is 14 lakh MGO. So 14 lakh MGO total token. Individual share limit is 2000 MGO everybody. Individual share limit is 2000 MGO. इसमें भी वही करना, you need to complete the task to earn candy from the prize pool. You need to complete the task to earn candies from the prize pool. Okay everyone. इसमें भी लॉग इन एंड पार्टिसिपेट सारा रूल्स दिया हुआ है. इसका अगर एक्टिविटीज रूल बात की जाए, तो ड्यूरिंग द इवेंट यूजर्स हु ट्रेड MGO टोकन ऑन गेट अल्फा with a trading volume no less than greater than equals to 100 USDT will receive candies. Different candy rewards are unlocked based on their tier reached with a maximum of 3 candies sharing a prize pool of 14 lakh MGO. Second one is alpha trading volume is equals to the alpha buy volume plus alpha sell volume. Terms and conditions is also available everybody. Terms and conditions इसकी बात की जाए, तो first one is participants must click the join button on the event page. After successfully joining the event, complete the task and identity verification to receive the rewards. Rewards will be distributed within 14 business days after the event concludes. Total event rewards are 42 lakh MGO. Alright. Third one is bulk registration of multiple accounts, malicious volume manipulation, wash trading, self-dealing or other cheating behaviors are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts verified under the same user identity will be considered a single account. Sub accounts are not eligible for the participants. Okay everyone. Fourth one, we have the market makers, businesses and institutions are not eligible for this event. Alright everybody. Affiliate accounts cannot join referral activities but can participate in all other events without restrictions. Fifth one, in case of discrepancies between the translated versions and the English version shall prevail. GET reserves the final right of the interpretation for this event. Alright. All right, so yeah. So in case of discrepancies between, okay, so get reserves the final right of interpretation for this event. Users from restricted regions will be enabled to use all parts of services, including participation in this event, games, or contest. For detailed information regarding restricted regions, please refer to the user. All right, everybody. 8.1 is risk warning is also. Risk warning. Users must bear in mind that the cryptocurrency trading is affected by the multiple factors such as market dynamics and regulatory policies. Market prices are highly volatile and unpredictable. Please pay close attention to the market risk and trade cautiously, everyone. ठीक है? चलो, this is the get launch pool frequently asked question. Many of you must be aware about this frequently asked questions, many of you don't, but it's my job that every time I should give you the information from the get launch pool. Okay, so what is get launch pool, guys? So get launch pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where users can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing the market opportunities. All right. Second one is, how can I participate in Get Launch Pool? So first you need to log into your Get account and navigate to the Get Launch Pool. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stake your assets. Third one, which coin can I stake in Get Launch Pool? The tokens eligible for participation will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Get Launch Pool to view more details. Okay, fourth one. Fourth one, how many tokens will be rewarded? So hourly staking rewards is equals to the individual latest 1 hour staking amount slash total pool staking amount multiplied by hourly reward pool. So the platform will take the multiple snapshot of the personal staking amounts each hour and take the average staking amount as the valid staking amount. Fifth one, how are rewards distributed? The platform will take the multiple snapshots of personal staking amount hourly and token rewards are distributed to the eligible users. Hourly earning will be distributed into users' spot accounts. Sixth one, when will the staked assets be redeemed? All right, everybody. So after the users redeems in advance, staking is completed, the staked assets will be transferred to simple earned by default. If this option is unchecked, the staked assets will be redeemed into spot assets. If the amount of redeemed asset is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of simple earn, the assets will be automatically transferred to the spot assets. If the simple earn does not support the claim of the redeemed token, the assets will be automatically transferred to the spot assets. All right. Can I redeemed? Can I redeemed my staked assets at any time? So the platform will take the multiple snapshot of personal staking amount each hour and calculate the valid staking amount. However, early redemption may result in the loss of acquired rewards. Please maintain stable staking amounts to ensure the mining rewards everybody. Okay. So can I add the staked assets? So you can increase your staked assets at any time. The more tokens you stake, the greater your potential mining rewards. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receiving the staking rewards. So can I participate in the multiple projects? So yes, you can participate in the multiple project at the same time. So what is the maximum mining rewards can I receive? I can receive. Okay. The reward hard cap per users for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further staking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcements or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. Okay. Will staking assets in the get launch pool, okay, impact my VIP label? Okay. So no assets staked in get launch pool will be included in the assets holding calculation for hodler airdrop, launchpad, and VIP privileges. Second one is, what will happen to my funds if project is ended early? So guys, in case of early ending, your staked principal will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed on the hour after the end time. Okay, the interest distribution before the ending will not be affected everyone. ठीक है? Chalo, this is the spot everybody. This is the spot of the MGO USDT everybody. So this is the investment cost. ठीक है? If somebody wanted to trade, okay everybody, you can trade you MGO as well. Its investment cost is 0.01618 everyone. मार्केट देख सकते हो, वॉल्यूम देता हुआ नजर आ रहा है हमारा MGO का. This is your spot of MGO. This is your spot of MGO USDT everybody. This is your spot of MGO USDT. ठीक है, मार्केट हमारा यहाँ पर है. Price is increasing. You can trade with the MGO as well and you can gain the profit. So 24-hour turnover is 1.34 million everyone. 24-hour turnover for this one is 1.34 million, where the 24-hour volume for MGO is 82.34 million everyone. 24-hour highest is 0.01732, 24-hour lowest is 0.01592 everybody. ठीक है, तो देख सकते हो आप लोग वेरिएशंस. थोड़ी सी आप स्पॉट देखो गाइस, स्पॉट को देखना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay, so I hope everybody has seen the MGO USDT spot. Now, let us take a dive of the MGO official website everyone. ठीक है? So everybody, this is the MGO's official website, which is https://mangonet.io. mangonet.io everybody. So this is the official website. So this is the Mango network. Okay everyone, this is the official website. You can do your own research as well everyone. So we always suggest you that before doing investment in any project, you should do your own research everybody. It's very important that you should do your own research. So guys, this is the Mango network, multi-VM omni-chain infrastructure network, secure, modular, high performance. Okay everybody, multi-VM omni-chain infrastructure network, secure, modular, high performance. Okay everybody. So 380 ms transaction finality. This is the 2,97,450 TPS. Okay everybody, orders per second. Mango Omni Chain offers unlimited advantages. Okay, everybody. Mango Omni Chain offers the unlimited advantages. Experience unprecedented freedom in the Web 3 world, everyone. ठीक है? Omni Chain base. Get native experience on Omni Chain. Aggregate liquidity. Maximize liquidity efficiency. Trusted cross chain, seamlessly connect to other decentralized assets through the Mango cross chain protocol for secure and reliable services. All right, composability and interoperability. Non-rebasing asset with composable use cases with the DeFi ecosystem. All right. So use the safest, most efficient and versatile cross-chain interoperability paths while saving handling fees. Okay everybody. So Mango's new chain wide architecture infrastructure. Okay everybody, this is the Mango's new chain wide architecture infrastructure. So transfer, cross-chain validator, verification passed, code minting, contract casting. ठीक है, आप देख सकते हो. So everybody, if you are getting trouble in understanding and if you have any doubt, then please feel free to ask me everyone. ठीक है? So multi-VM omni-chain infrastructure network integrates the core advantages of OP stack, and Move language supports both EVM and Move EVM everyone. ठीक है? multi-VM omni-chain infrastructure network. It have these are the futures everybody which I am sharing with you. Multi-VM omni-chain infrastructure network. So layer 1 ETH mainnet, layer 2 EVM OP Mango, layer 1 Move VM, based on Move's powerful underlying code everybody. So unrevalid speed, DPoS consensus, modular, batch parallel, multi-threaded, comes with extensible features. Okay, safety first, smart contract static invocation, asset object transfer, formal validation to test and prove contract reliability. Whatever I am reading out guys, these are the important features everybody. ठीक है? Code open source, community autonomy, resource object oriented, chain wide applications convenient, cross chain bridge operation. Okay everybody. So Powered by Move, a secure, modular, and high performance Web3 infrastructure for developers and the users. Okay. Unrivaled speed with its 2,97,400 TPS per second and low gas cost. Okay, everybody. So, Mango modular blockchain. Guys, this is the Mango modular blockchain. So, sovereignty guarantee. Sovereignty guarantee. So यहाँ पे देखो monolithic execution settlement consensus data availability, modular execution settlement consensus data availability. Sovereignty guarantee. Despite using other layers, the Mango modular blockchain can be as sovereign as layer 1. This allows the blockchain to respond to hacks and push upgrades without any underlying permissions. In essence, sovereign blockchains retain the availability of social consensus to make critical decisions, which is one of the most important aspects of blockchain as a social coordination mechanism. Okay, everybody? Launch new blockchains efficiently and cost efficiently. So, since the Mango modular blockchain does not need to handle all functionality, new blockchains can simply use existing modular blockchains for the components they wish to offload. This allows for efficient bootstrapping of new blockchains, reducing deployment time and minimizing your cost, everyone. Now, this is the scalability. Returning to the most essential issue, solving the scalability problem without sacrificing security and decentralization is a major reason for promoting the modular development of blockchain. Modular blockchains are not limited by having to handle all functions. By splitting them into multiple layers, scaling can be achieved without sacrificing security and decentralization. This enables sustainable blockchain scalability. Compatible with decentralized multi-chain environments. All right, everyone. Mango Network World Tour. ठीक है. So join Mango, everyone. Join Mango. Join the forum to discuss, collaborate on all things Mango. Join the conversation. Explore. Discover live projects in the Mango ecosystem. ठीक है, everybody. Dive into the projects. Stay current. ठीक है, stay current. So check out the blog and stay up to date with the latest news from the Mango network. Get the latest scoop. All right, everybody. Start building. Start building, everybody. Build पे जाए तो developer foundation blockchain browser about Mango. इस पे जाते हैं. So Mango network. Safe, modular, high performance Web3 infrastructure, everybody. So this is the Mango network, which is safe, modular, high performance Web3 infrastructure. Okay, everyone. So Mango programming model. Okay, everybody. What is the Mango programming model? So resource oriented programming. Move has been specifically enhanced for financial, social, and gaming scenarios, introducing source oriented programming, pure static language, Mango Move adopts a completely static implementation to ensure the security of assets on the chain. Okay, everybody, this is the formal verification. Move comes with a formal verification tool that can cause mathematical means to test and prove the reliability of the contract. Okay, decentralized storage. So Move uses resources to decentrally store data under each user's account to ensure data security and truly realize that data ownership belongs to the user. Okay, everyone? And the contract owner cannot modify the data. Okay, everybody? Mango Move core design thought. That's a very important Mango Move core design thought. So, ensuring the security of smart contracts from the bottom up, according to Slow Mist's previous report, blockchain security incidents in 2021 caused losses of more than 9.8 billion US dollars as an emerging programming language. Move language has also made breakthroughs in security at different levels and the innovations. Okay, everyone. So, this is the borrowing semantics. Mango Move draws on the borrowing mechanism of the Rust language to pass objects by reference instead of by value. Linear type. Mango Move follows the concept of linear types similar to unique pointers in C++. Determine function called path at compile time. So in Move, all function calling paths are determined at compile time, and Move does not support dynamic calling of other functions or callback mechanisms. Alright, everyone. Limited external interaction. Move smart contracts mainly communicate with the outside world by interacting with global variables or global state. Okay. Mango's formal verification system. This is the Mango's formal verification system. The invariant of the structure allows a complex structure to have multiple fields. So in this structure there will be relationship between different fields. The invariant of the structure allows the relationship between different fields. So make a provision for the relationship which is beyond the reach of the current type system, everyone. Okay, I hope everybody is getting some idea. Advantages of Mango modular blockchain. Okay, everybody. So advantages of Mango modular blockchain. So sovereignty guarantee. Okay, everybody. Sovereignty guarantee. So the Mango modular blockchain can be sovereign like layer 1, resistant to hacker and upgradable. Sovereign blockchains retain the availability of social consensus to make critical decisions, which is one of the important aspects of the blockchain. So these are the features which I am reading out right now, everyone. Efficiently and cost efficiently launch new blockchains. Mango modular blockchain can be used on new blockchains to simplify the process of offloading components and reduce deployment time and cost. Scalability. Returning to the essential issue, solving the scalability problem is an important reason to promote the modular development of blockchain. Modular blockchains scale through layering while maintaining security and decentralization. Okay, everyone. Mango Network Infrastructure Agreement. It is the Mango Network Infrastructure Agreement. Okay. So ZK Zero Knowledge Proof. Okay, everybody. Zero Knowledge Proof. Distributed Storage. MGO DNS. Domain Name Services. Mango Client. Okay, everyone. So this is the community. Alright, guys, this was the information which I was giving you from the official website, everybody. This is the official white paper of this project, everyone. Okay guys, so ये देख सकते हो, this is the official uh, white paper, everybody. Read out everything, everyone, and you should do your own research, everybody. Every related sources is available on our platform, everyone. Every related sources is available on our platform. Okay, so let us take a dive of the get.io official X handling, where this MGO network information has been posted, everybody, which is get launch pool. Stake ETH MGO to earn this much of MGO and Mango OS network. This is the official X handling of the Mango MGO, everyone. Staking period is from, it has already been started. Staking period is already been started, everyone. Highest estimated APR is up to 2190. Okay, highest estimated APR is 2190%. 500% staking cap boost for the VIPs. Okay, everyone. Stake early. Rewards are automatically distributed when the mining starts. Earn now, learn more. ठीक है everybody, Mango Network MGO VIP can enjoy up to 50% staking cap boost, everyone. ठीक है. Now this is the official X handling of this project, which is the Mango Network multi VM omni chain infrastructure network. So multi-VM omni-chain infra network integrates the core advantages of OP stack and hashtag move EVM and move EVM support. Okay, financial services. Okay, लोकेशन देख सकते हो क्या दिया हुआ है, मैंगो नेट. दिस इज ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट का लिंक दिया हुआ है गाइस. ठीक है. They have joined on December 2023. They have the total number of followings 328 and total number of followers. So it's 620.3k followers, everyone. ठीक है. I hope everybody is understood about this project. Okay, everybody. Now let us take a dive of the risk remainder. Okay. So risk warning is also available, everybody. It's very important that you should know what are the risk warning. Okay, everyone. So first one is, the project team does not guarantee that the token price will not be lower than its initial sell price. Please invest with caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. Second one, the crypto project is still in its initial stage. Factor including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to the significant risk. Third one is, advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto asset investments. Okay. Fourth one, the market volatility is high and the price of a token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory, and the marketing factors. Fifth one, users may not be able to withdraw all the purchased tokens due to technical issues of the project or the get, everyone. ठीक है everybody. So this was the all the relevant information. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, ये एक चीज छूट गया था, ये समझाना आपको बहुत जरूरी है. ब्लॉकचेन वैलिडेटर, ट्रांजैक्शंस ब्लॉक है ये सारा. ओके. Understand location information of the verified mango. Understand what people are building on mango. So D app stores, what people are building on mango. D app stores आप देख सकते हैं, ये सारा information है everybody. ओके डी ऐप मैंगो, ठीक है. बिल्ड में अगर हम गए तो अबाउट मैंगो तो हम लोगों ने देख लिया था. What to innovate on mango. So the Mango Foundation grant program designed to offer teams, individuals and creators all around the world non-dilutive funding to further accelerate the growth of the mango ecosystem. Okay, देख सकते हैं. Applicants can apply one of the suggested grant categories. These suggestions are tailored to current ecosystem needs and are intended to help provide applicants with ideas of what to build on Mango. Applicants are encouraged to apply for a grant that could further benefit the Mango ecosystem, even if not founded on the list. Okay, so developer tooling, SDKs, libraries, documentations, guides, tutorial, tool and framework for the development, governance, DeFi and NFTs, core protocol contributions, token standards, libraries, protocol upgrades, etc. All right, everyone. So, guys, I think I have provided you all the relevant information from the source and given source, everybody. And this is the trade. You can trade MGO as well. So this is the MGO slash USDT Mango network. Okay, this is the spot of the MGO, everybody. Okay, where you can identify when to buy the spot or sell the spot, everyone. So if anybody have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Do you have people any questions related to this project, everybody? Then please do let me know, guys. I'm here to help you out. Any questions? I think I have provided you all the relevant information from the relevant sources, everybody. Still, I am saying if somebody have any query, then do let me know and clear out your doubts, everybody. It's very important that you should clear out your doubts. आप देख सकते हो ये एंड हो रहा है 8 days में. This is going to be end in 8 days. This is the launch pool and this is the candy drop. Under candy drop, it is going to be ended. This event is going to be end in 2 days. All right, everyone. So I would like to say thank you each and everybody who all have joined my today's live streaming. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining my live today. I really appreciate everyone. You all have come to join my live streaming. Thank you so much for that. Have a nice day. Take care of your health and happiness, everybody.